Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am today for the unboxing of a quantum USB hub. You can see this. So I'll just do a quick unboxing of this quantum USB hub. Okay. So I'll just remove this plastic. You can see, and this is the 480 Mbps 2.0 USB. Okay, and these all specifications, guys. So it has a 4 ports. Okay, plug and play, light and compact, and it's a half a meter cable, 0.65 meters of cable, and that's it. So I'll just remove this cable. Just remove. So guys, it's a very small cable. It's a half a meter cable. Okay, it's around, yeah, till here. Okay, so yeah, it has in front, it has the 3 ports and one switch it has. Okay, turn off on. Okay, and here one more port is there. Yeah, and one more something is here, but I don't know what is it. AC power maybe, but don't put anything inside, because last time I had bought one and I put it some power inside and it got blown up. So don't try anything. And I just don't know about this port, so I cannot advise you anything about this. So guys, that's it from my side, and thank you. If you like this unboxing, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you guys, have a nice day.